I spent 21.5 years in the Air Force, and about 13, 14 years of that was working in the Air Force dining facility. I was a cook, and then as I got higher in rank, I became a supervisor.
Even just a year in at PVCC, I feel 100 times more confident than I was before PVCC. Working with others in the kitchen, working under someone and learning instructions, following a team. I have a much larger array of recipes I could probably feel confident in doing.
The mindset of somebody that would be successful in this program would be coming to class with a team-oriented attitude. At the end of the day, you need to make sure that that guest or customer is taken care of and every single plate is consistent. And you can't do that by yourself. You have to work together.
One of my goals with completing the Culinary Arts program is to have my own business. Cooking is my passion. The joy is watching somebody enjoy it.